everyone, let's see the question Chef and card game. So coming to the game, there are two players, Chef and his friend Monty. So they have two piles with them, pile A with Chef and pile B with Monty. There are n rounds in this game. For every round they are going to pick the top card from their piles. So then there is a power for each and every card. The power is known as the integer digit present on it, sum of integer digit present on it. So for each and every round a player is going to get a point based on the power. If the power of card picked by Chef is great, he is going to get 1 point, else Morty is going to get 1 point. So there is a condition that the powers might be equal sometimes, so in that case we must add 1 point to each. So that's simple question. And coming to the output, we must print 0 if Chef wins at last and 1 if Morty wins. So if both wins, nothing but it's a draw, we must print 2. So let's see a test case. Coming to the sample input, there are two test cases, one with 3 and another with 2. So first we shall see with 3. So 10 and 4. So sum of digits is 1 and here 4. So Morty wins 1 point. And here 8 and 12. Sum of digits is 8 and here 3. So Chef wins. So up to now Morty has 1 point and Chef has 1 point. So next Chef has 7 and Morty has 6. So Chef won this round. So he gets 2 points at last and Morty gets 1 point. So we have print 0 since Chef wins, and his points. We must print how many points he have won. So he has 2 points. And next test case, Chef is having 5, sum is also 5, and Morty is have 10. Sum is 1. So this round Chef has 1. And next round Chef has 3 and Morty has 4. So in this round Morty has win. So they have a tie. In first round Chef has win and second round Morty has win. So there is a tie. Since it is a tie, we are going to print 2. And they both are having 1 as the output, equal. So this is the explanation of the above test cases. You can have a look. And coming to the code. So I am using LL for long int, and I am using a function to count sum of digits every time. So to find sum of digits I am using conditional operator, that is nothing but if of n equal to 0 we shall print 0 directly, else return n more 10 plus sum of n by 10. I am calling this sum function again by dividing. So we get sum of digits through this function. So let's read the test cases. And my number of rounds, and Y is for Chef and Z is for Morty to count their points. So let's run a for loop, and for every round we shall read A and B values. There will be the card A and card B values. So if sum of digits of A greater than B, Chef is going to win a point, else Morty is going to win a point. So if it is equal, they both are going to get a point. So finally, if of Chef points are greater than Morty, we are going to print 0 and we are going to print the points earned by Chef. If a points of Chef less than Morty, we are going to print 1. And if they are tied up, we are going to print 2. And here they are their scores. It is Chef's score, and if Morty wins, we should print Morty's score. But if they are equal, anybody's score is same. So I have print again Chef's score. We can print even Morty's score and Z also. So this is my approach. Let's run these sample test cases given. So let's see the output. So we got the output. Thank you.